Good morning, class. How are you? Yes, I am also fine here. So, as it is visible here on the screen, what we are going to study? We are going to study about the coordinate geometry here. Okay, we are going to do coordinate geometry. This is a very important topic of class 10. Okay, today we are going to discuss that distance formula here. Okay, that is the distance formula. You may see that. Okay, two coordinates will be given here, x2 and y2, x1 and y1. That means this represents x1 and y1 is a set of one point, x2 and y2 is a set of second point here, and we have to find the distance. We have discussed a lot about this, so now let us start this with one example. In that example we'll try to understand that this can be used to find this can be used to prove that any shape is like a rectangle or whatever is that, like rhombus or whatever. Let us see what is that. Okay, so this is one video here. See this. I am writing the question here. Question is saying that they are giving us some points here. Okay, A, B, C and D. They are giving us some point here, and then see, this is given here, the points. Okay, so this is the this is the question here I have written. Okay, one time you may also see that what is the question is written here. Question is saying that there are some points they are given here. Some, see here, they are saying that these are the points A, B, C and D. They are the 4 points in a plane, and we have to show that ABCD is a rhombus but not a square. It is a rhombus here. See, they are saying that this is a rhombus but this is not a square. Then you have to understand what is a rhombus and what is a square. Then you have to find the area of the rhombus also. So let us see one that it is here. See, this is called rhombus. Okay, my drawing is not so perfect, you may say that, but it is a rhombus. I have represented that these are, see, these all four sides are equal, but the diagonals are not equal. See, one is yellow, one is green. That means the diagonals are not equal in the case of rhombus. So we have to prove that. But in the case of a square, all four sides are equal. See, all four sides are equal as well as the diagonals. See, diagonals are red color. That means they are equal. So if the diagonals becomes equal of a parallelogram whose four sides are equal, it becomes a square. If the diagonals are not equal but all the four sides are equal, that means it is a rhombus. That one concept we have used in our that question. You may see that here. So what we have to do, just see this. Now, so what I will do first is that it is very important to draw the figure of such type of questions there. That is very important there. Figure only help us. Okay, figure only help us what we can do here. See, so we have to find the area of rhombus. So let us draw the figure. I will erase this and I will draw one figure here. So from that, see, in geometry class, draw the figure first. That means half question is solved. As you draw the figure, half question is solved only. It is saying 4 points are there, so I'll make one quadrilateral here. Right now it's just a quadrilateral. Rhombus or square, that will be decided later on. Right now it is just a quadrilateral. 4 points have been given, their coordinates also given, so I'm writing those coordinates also. 2 minus 1 is for A, for B it is 3, 4, for C it is minus 2, 3, and for D it is minus 3 and minus 2. Okay. Now if it is a rhombus, then all four sides should be equal. That is what we have to prove.
Number one, that all four sides are equal. We prove that all four sides are equal. Okay, then second one, we prove that diagonals are not equal. If it is a rhombus, then diagonals are not. I have explained that also through that here. Through that I have explained you also. Okay, see, I have explained if the diagonals are not equal, this is a rhombus. So here we are going to prove that thing only. So what I will use distance formula. Okay, so I will use here this distance formula in solving that question. Okay, see here. Coordinates of A is given 2 and 3, there are the x1 and x2, so there will be that formula, it will be used here to, then I will subtract that y coordinates, and that sum will come here 1 square plus 5 square, that is under root 26. I will add, it will become 1 plus 25, that is under root 26 unit. Okay, that is one length has come outside. What is that length? AB. AB has come outside. Only now we'll prove that BC here. Okay, that same thing here, the same thing. See, for this line here, this line BC, we may say here, for this line BC, see this, what is that? Coordinates are given. What is given? The coordinates are given. See this. This is one coordinate here. This is one coordinate here. This is the x coordinates, x1 and x2. Okay. So first they will be subtracted. See that. See, I subtracted now 3 and minus 2. Now what? After that, these y coordinates 3 and 4. These will be subtracted and the squares will be added also. So we are going to use our same distance formula. So this will also giving me 5 square plus 1 square, that is equal to 26. Two sides have come equal. Okay, we have to prove all four sides are equal. So one by one we are just going to solve that. Okay, this time now we are going to prove our C and D. Okay, in that C and D, that same x1, x2, y1 and y2, y2 is given also. For this here, in this figure, this is my one x coordinate 2 and minus 3. Okay, and this here, this one minus 2 and this 3, these are my y coordinates. Understand? The yellow part is my x coordinates and the red part is my y coordinates, and I have to use distance formula. What is that? So this is distance formula. Okay, x2 and y1 y2. Okay, x1 is 2 and y1 y2. So we are going to use that one. Okay, see that. Okay, now it is coming here. So now we are going to find the third side, that is CD. We are going to find that third side, that is CD, that is also equal to 1 square plus 5 square, that is equal to obviously root 26. Three sides have become equal, so we are very close to our answer. Only fourth side has to become equal and it will become either a square or a rhombus. Later on it will be proved it is a rhombus or a square, but we have a chance that it can be a square or it can be a rhombus here. Okay. So see this here. CD has come under root 26 and DA has also come under root 26. So all four sides are equal here. See, in this figure, all the four sides have become equal. This side has become equal to this, equal to this, equal to this. And what is measurement? Measurement is under root 26. See, everywhere we are finding under root 26, under root 26. So that means this is a either square or rhombus. Now if I can prove that this length is not equal to this length, these two lengths, if I could prove that these two lengths are not equal, that means the diagonals are not equal, then automatically it will be proved a rhombus. Okay, so this is my concept. Now what? Now I will use the coordinates of A and C and B and D. So first of all I will find AC here. What is that measurement? Let me see that. X1 and X2 no need to explain what is that, and what is Y1 and Y2 no need to explain that also, because we are not very familiar with these things. Just put this here and this will just come on. It is coming under root 32. Okay, that second one, that BD should not come under root 32. If it will come under root 32, it will become a square. So let us see what BD is coming here. So that BD is now same formula, same distance formula we have to use, and that BD will come here, and minus 3, that is minus 3 plus 3 whole square plus 4 plus 2 whole square, that is 6 square plus 6 square under root, that is under root 72. Okay, so under root 72 is here. So one thing is very clear, that my AC and BD both are not equal, so we have a chance here. So see here, our AC, that one, our AC and my BD. Okay, AC is under root 32, BD is under root 72, so they both are different here. So we can say, okay, all four sides are equal, but the diagonals are not equal, so it is a rhombus only. So our problem solved. Now we have to find the area of that shape. We have to find the area of that shape, and we know that area of rhombus, here is that area of rhombus. See, area of rhombus is diagonal 1 into diagonal 2 by 2. This is the area of the rhombus formula. Okay, see here. So what conclusions we have got? I am writing that only. See one time what is the conclusion. Conclusion, all four sides are equal. This is the conclusion number 1. And the diagonals are not equal. Diagonals are different here. The diagonals are different. So it is a rhombus. First part proved. And this is the only way you have to prove that. Okay. So it is a rhombus, and area can be easily found. So what is the area formula? Just now I have shown you also. What is the area of a rhombus? That is 1 by 2 into diagonal 1 into diagonal 2. So that is what we are going to prove here. Let us see. BD is given under root 72. AC is given under root 32. So just now only use that formula, area of a rhombus. No need to discuss. That is here diagonal, follow the diagonals. That is 1 by 2 into AC into BD, and AC and BD is given already under root 32 into under root 72. 1 by 2 into 32 under root 32 can be written as 4 root 2, and this x root 2 here, root 2 cancel, so that is equal to 24 square unit. Okay, this is area here, so that is 24 square unit. So class, we have seen that by using the distance formula we could find here the area of this shape, okay, and then what we did, first we found the diagonals, and that diagonals give us the area here. Okay, so this is what we have to study in this exercise. Okay, I hope you will practice very nicely at your home and you will not face any problem. In next class we will learn something new. Till then class, thank you very much for joining this, and we have learned some new things there. Okay, thank you class, thank you very much.